Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the shortcut menu or quick panel, and here you should see the DND icon, the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon and then select Now or Auto. If you select Now, it's gonna turn on the Do Not Disturb mode at this moment, and it's gonna be enabled until you disable it. So once you enable the Do Not Disturb mode, the icon will look like this. It will change the color and it will say DND is on. And once you close the shortcut panel or quick panel, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here in the corner, indicating that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the panel again, tap on the icon to disable it. If you select the other option in the DND menu, the Auto, the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically when you go to sleep, basically. So if the smartband detects that you are sleeping, it's gonna enable the Do Not Disturb mode, and it's gonna disable it when you wake up. So that's how it works. And to disable the smart one, simply tap on the icon again, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.